Welcome to Dev Basics with AI. In this video, we'll explore when to stop fine-tuning your LLMs and why Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, is often the better choice. We are comparing RAG, which provides knowledge by allowing the AI to look things up, versus fine-tuning, which builds skill by teaching the AI new domain-specific behaviors. By the end, you'll know the right architectural recipe for your project. The knowledge gap exists because standard LLMs are trained on static datasets, resulting in a knowledge cutoff. When models are pushed on new data, they can hallucinate. The solution is either retrieval or retraining. RAG acts like an open book exam for the AI. It retrieves verified data from an external database before generating a response. This grounds responses in real-time facts without needing to update model weights. The three-step RAG process is simple. First, search and retrieve relevant snippets from your database. Second, combine those snippets into the LLM prompt as context. Third, the model writes a response based on that context. Naive RAG is a simple linear pipeline best for small datasets. Advanced RAG improves precision by adding pre-retrieval steps like query expansion and post-retrieval steps such as re-ranking. Fine-tuning is about teaching new skills by updating the model's parameters. This is ideal for learning specialized vocabulary or specific logical standards, making the model an expert in a specific domain. Fine-tuning involves parametric learning, where a base model is fed thousands of high-quality examples. The training adjusts the weights, resulting in a specialized expert that predicts tokens like a veteran in your field. LoRA, or low-rank adaptation, is an innovation that prioritizes efficiency. Instead of rebuilding the entire model, we add a small adapter module. This leads to 100 times fewer parameters to train, reducing GPU costs significantly. Comparing RAG and fine-tuning, RAG allows for instant knowledge updates by swapping databases and is best for fresh factual data with a low risk of hallucination. Fine-tuning requires retraining and is for specialized behavior or style, with a medium risk of being confidently wrong. In terms of economics, RAG setup costs are low, with variable operations costs. Fine-tuning has a high setup cost, but fixed operations cost. RAG is the budget-friendly start, while fine-tuning is a long-term investment for precision. Use RAD for dynamic data like prices and news, grounding the AI in the present. Use fine-tuning for stable expertise, like legal structures or medical terms, for deep, unchanging mastery. RAG is perfect for sales and finance, where up-to-the-minute data is essential. It supports live competitor pricing, real-time market sentiment analysis, and instant compliance checks on reports. Fine-tuning excels in fields like healthcare and law, where precision vocabulary is vital. It builds deep expertise, helping the model recognize regulatory nuances and flag non-compliant language quickly. The hybrid approach combines the best of both worlds. You teach the model the rules with fine-tuning, and give it eyes to see what's happening now with RAG, like an advisor fine-tuned on theory checking today's interest rates. RAG is highly effective at reducing hallucinations because it ensures grounding in truth. The response is backed by a citable source, often a verifiable link to internal documentation, building trust. The challenges of RAG include latency, as retrieval adds steps to the generation loop. Privacy is critical, ensuring users only access authorized files. Finally, data quality matters. Messy files lead to messy context. Fine-tuning also presents challenges. It is data-hungry, requiring massive amounts of clean, labeled data. It risks overfitting, causing the model to lose general reasoning, and is inflexible, requiring retraining for any knowledge updates. Agentic RAG represents the future, moving from passive search to active reasoning. These agents evaluate if a retrieved file truly answers the prompt, using iteration loops to search, read, and research automatically. Your strategy roadmap starts with RAG for instant grounding. Step 2 is advanced RAG, adding re-ranking for better accuracy. Step 3 is fine-tuning for style or niche vocab. And Step 4 is the hybrid approach for a truly autonomous expert agent. Thanks for watching Dev Basics with AI. Make sure to subscribe to stay updated on the latest development concepts.